Have you ever ridden on a plane before? How about going up on an elevator to a very high floor? Or maybe in a high building? Sometimes you feel something in your ears, or your ears may hurt a little bit too. Why does this happen? Why do our ears feel blocked when we go to places that are high up with less air? Discover today's materials: hemisphere with nozzle, hemisphere, rubber ring, syringe, and strings. Let's try the Matchburg hemisphere experiment. Now we have just a few pieces. Pay very close attention. These two hemispheres, all right, one is the hemisphere with a nozzle and one has no nozzle. We're going to connect the two, but if you look inside, one side, the one with a nozzle, has a little area for this ring, okay? We're going to put it inside and then close it. Doop, doop, doop. Okay, take your strings and put them through each of these holes, one string at a time. One, through, and then I'm going to tie them, like this. If you have trouble tying, you can also ask a teacher to help. Tie it. Boop, 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 boop. Ugh. Okay, like that. That's one side, okay, and the other side. Okay, all right, so both hanging, right? And then we're going to put this back inside. All right, earlier I put it together and it came apart again, right? Again, came apart again. What can we do? Aha! This is when we use the syringe. Okay, we will connect the syringe to this part, put it inside. Okay, be careful. Push, 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 push. Okay, now hold this side together with your hands, and this side we want to pump. This is a little hard to do. Maybe you can get a friend. A friend can hold this together while you use two hands to do this. I will try to do it by myself. Ooh, coming apart again. Ooh. Okay, so one friend can hold this together so it doesn't fall. The other friend can keep pumping, pump out, hold it when it's out, and then pull out. Okay. Whew. Oh, look. The point is also, one more time, pull out and then pop it open, okay? Okay, I took it out of the syringe and can you see? I'm pulling, but it's not coming apart. Isn't that pretty amazing? Wait a minute. Think why. How come these two sides are holding onto each other so tightly? It's because of air pressure. Before we moved the air out, there was air inside. Then we closed it and pulled out the air with the syringe. Then there's very little air inside. Instead, the outside air pushes even harder, holding the halves tightly together. This is the same as the air around the Earth. It's called atmosphere. It's weighing pressure down, and it's called air pressure. Think more. Why do you think our ears feel blocked when we go up high? Remember in our story, our little boy is in an airplane and he can feel, sometimes you feel blocked, sometimes you can feel even a little bit of pain. It's because our eardrums are inside our ears. This is the outer ear, and inside, we can't see it, this is the inner ear. The eardrum is right in between. When we yawn or when we're in a very high place where there's very little air. We don't feel air pressure when it's the same inside and outside our bodies, but when you are in a very high place, the outside pressure drops very fast and our ears can't keep up. If you go in an elevator very slowly, you can't tell the difference, but usually elevators are very fast. Planes also go up into the air very quickly, so that's why you feel the pressure or some sort of pain. Yawning, swallowing, or sucking on some candy can help you get the balance and pressure back again.